How to Start and Succeed in Strawberry Farming, Step-by-Step Guide. Strawberries are one of the most profitable and rewarding fruits to grow. They are loved worldwide for their sweetness, bright red color, and high nutritional value. Whether you want to grow strawberries for home use or start a commercial farm, this guide will walk you step by step through everything you need to know, from soil preparation to harvesting and marketing. If you are looking for a high-value crop with strong market demand, strawberry farming might be your next big opportunity. Strawberries grow best in cool to moderate climates. Ideal temperature, 60 degrees to 80 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees C to 27 degrees Celsius. They need plenty of sunlight, at least 6 to 8 hours daily. Strawberries do not like extreme heat or frost. If temperatures are too high, fruits become small and less sweet. In very cold areas, farmers use mulch or row covers to protect the plants. 2. Soil preparation. 2. Good soil preparation determines your success. Ideal soil pH, 5.5 to 6.5. Soil should be rich in organic matter. Add compost or well-rotted manure before planting. Ensure proper drainage. Raised beds are highly recommended. They improve drainage, prevent root diseases, make harvesting easier. Before planting, test your soil. Adjust pH if necessary using lime to increase pH or sulfur to lower pH.
There are 3 main types of strawberries. June-bearing produce 1 large harvest per year. High yield, good for commercial farming. Ever-bearing produce 2-3 harvests per season. Day neutral, produce fruit continuously throughout the growing season. Best for steady income. Choose varieties that perform well in your region. Best time to plant? Early spring in cooler regions, late fall in mild climates, spacing 12 to 18 inches between plants, 3 to 4 feet between rows. Steps: dig a small hole, place the plant so the crown is at soil level, cover roots gently with soil. Water immediately after planting. Avoid planting too deep. The crown must not be buried. Strawberries need consistent moisture but not waterlogging. Use drip irrigation if possible. Water early in the morning. Avoid wetting the leaves to prevent disease. Fertilizer: apply balanced fertilizer during planting. Add nitrogen carefully. Too much causes leaves to grow instead of fruit. Organic farmers often use compost tea or organic blends. After planting, flowers appear within weeks. Important tip: remove early flowers if plants are young. This helps roots grow stronger. Fruits usually develop 4 to 6 weeks after flowering. Strawberries are ready to harvest when fully red, firm, sweet-smelling. Do not pick them too early. They do not ripen after harvesting. Harvest gently by pinching the stem above the berry. Avoid pulling directly. Best time to harvest: early morning when temperatures are cool. Storage: keep in a cool place. Refrigerate immediately. Do not wash until ready to sell or eat. Strawberries are highly perishable. Sell quickly for maximum profit. Strawberry farming can be both profitable and enjoyable. With proper soil preparation, good variety selection, consistent watering, and pest management, you can produce high-quality strawberries that attract customers and generate strong income. Start small, learn the process, and scale gradually. Strawberries are not just fruits, they are opportunities waiting to grow.